How to change voice on Snapchat. If you want to change your voice on Snapchat, then launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now at the bottom, you simply want to swipe to look for different filters. Here, tap on this search icon. Now tap on the search bar. Here type voice changer. Now search for that. You're going to find different filters which is going to change your voice. Now select whichever it is that you prefer. As you can see, here it says voice changer. Now you simply want to record a video of yourself. Now in the recorded video, your voice will be changed. You can do different editing from here. After that, you can simply share this with your friends, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.